Jiaxing Fupower Auto Parts Company Limited is a custom manufacturer for fab exhaust or fab intake and fab coolant, titanium, stainless or aluminum, tubing or flanges for truck diesel, Ford, GM, racing cars, BMW, Audi, Benz, Subaru, and so on. Also specialize in power sports UTV, ATV, Can-Am, and Polaris, snowmobiles, and jet ski, Sea-Doo, Yamaha, go-kart. In a word, all the fab works we all can make custom it for you. We are short for the three materials fab works: titanium and stainless steel and aluminum. We strive to provide all of the materials you need for your project: fab exhaust, fab intake, fab charge, fab header, fab aluminum intercoolers, fab aluminum catch cans, CNC blow-off valves, titanium or stainless or aluminum, tubing or flanges. We strive to be your one-stop shop. We support professional brand shops or home garage projects. We are here to help you with your project and provide you awesome materials at excellent prices. If you do not see something that you would like us to offer, please let us know.